Little movie of the puppies, part 2. The battery ran out. This is the old camera. Just as good. Little tight pom-pom. He's playing with his little toy. Yes, he is. These two here playing. Look at your little peanut. Look at that little peanut puppy. Baby. Hi, Pop-Ups. What, Coco? Come over here and do something funny. Come over here and do something funny. Come here, Coco Loco. Let's see that pretty face. Let's see that. Oh, it's a pretty face. Look at that. La, la, la. La, la, la. Oh, yes. Oh, yes, it's so ticklish. Coco is so ticklish. What you wanting to do, little peanut, hmm? You just want your mama. You're playing with their mommy over there. The cowgirl's over here doing something. What you doing there, little silly dog? You little silly dog. Baby, hi, Bubba. What you doing? What you doing? Where's that little thing you like to play with? Let's go get it. Let's go get that little thing you like. Or you just want to chew on a blankie? I got you. You can chew on a blankie. And here's trouble. Louie! Lucifer! Shush, little Teddy Pom-Pom over there, little mama boy. He's playing with his mom. Lacey just takes whatever they dish out. She don't care. And look who's trying to get to the mom. What? What you want, little peanut? What you want? You just want mommy? Is that what you want? You just want the mom? Whoa! Yay, mommy! What now, gang? Starting to wind down? Y'all starting to wind down? They just won't leave her alone. A little tape pom-pom. Louie, you just ate. You want more? What's up, Louie? Can we get you to growl? He gets mad when I scratch his back. He gets mad. Yes, he does. Okay, Bum Bum. Okay, Bum Bum gets mad too. Give me your Bum Bum. No, not so much. Louie does. Oh, you think you're going to do something, don't you? Coco don't like it much neither. Well, he's good. Cute, cute, cute. So Peanut playing on her little ball. The Peanut playing with the little ball. Here you go. Here it is.